Let's look at relationships, right?
Relationship those
Relationships. Let's like how
yeah.
like I think do you think selfishness or selflessness plays a part?
In relationships,
Yeah,
yes.
in relationships. How?
I feel like it plays part in a lot of different ways, don't you think?
Yeah.
When you are in a relationship, are you not selfish?
Wait.
At some point, then. Be like, now I gotta look out for myself.
Yeah, you get to that point.
Especially whereby there's no trust in the relationship. I feel like that's where you become very selfish. Don't you think?
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Yeah.
Trust or insecurities, because I think the two go together, but then they don't mean the same thing. I can trust a person, but be insecure. I don't know how to put this. But then, have you ever needed a feeling of being assured in a relationship? Like, being...
I feel like, yeah,
like,
obviously,
so,
yeah.
like, I don't know, man. I don't know how to put this. But feeling secure in a relationship makes you put your gun down. Like, your guard is down when you are like when you're feeling secure in a relationship, when you're comfortable.
You're not selfish.
You're not selfish, exactly.
So when you're insecure,
when
that's
you're insecure, that's where
selfish.
you start being selfish, because you wouldn't want to let too much emotion.
But then sometimes you can be secure with yourself, but then you don't trust somebody. You don't have to be insecure in order for you to be selfish.